So Bonide started back in 1926 in a hotel down on Worth Ave in Utica. Two brothers saw a need for products to help farmers locally with their insect and pesticide control. And for that reason, they started this business. From there, the business grew to a point that they had to relocate, and they did so back in Yorkville, New York. The business was there for quite a few years until we moved here. During the transition and all the expansions that we've gone through, Pengate and Raymond have helped us tremendously manage through that. There was a lot of challenges that we had with the amount of growth that we were seeing over those few years back in the early 2000s till today.
So Bonide went through a series of expansions, and their latest expansion, as again with any company, they're looking to make sure that they maximize the space that they have as best they can, but taking into consideration their existing application and existing floor plan, if you will. So I think what separated Pengate in working with Bonide was we really took an active role in understanding not just what the expansion involved, but what their current manufacturing process was and how the two pieces would fit together. I know very early on we got engaged with the development of the space and making sure that the trucks and the racking configurations that they were looking at in the expansion were correct and would marry up well together, but also made sure that the goals that they were trying to achieve on the manufacturing end were sustained as well.
They were very instrumental in making sure that we had the right parts, the right rack, the right components, the right lift trucks to make sure all that worked well together. You know, whether it was fork length, battery compartment, depth, weight capacities, you name it. When we told them what we needed and we identified all the different weights and capacities we were going to be handling, they knew exactly what we needed, and they made sure that we got the right equipment. With the help of Raymond and Pengate, we reduced the amount of touches by about 2. To reduce an average of 2 touches has helped us extend the battery life on all the lift trucks, makes the worker more efficient and actually doing things that that are productive instead of just moving material.